today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export images from Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just sharing your creative ideas, this skill can help you make the most out of your visual content. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Slides website. If you haven't used it before, simply type Google Slides into your search engine and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is essential because Google Slides is part of the Google Workspace and you'll need to be signed in to access its features. Next, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can see all your previous presentations. To begin a new presentation or pick an existing one, click on either the blank presentation option for a fresh start or choose from a selection of templates if you have a specific style in mind. This gives you flexibility depending on your needs, whether you're creating something new or building on work you've already done. After you've opened your presentation, the next step is to locate and click on the File menu, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. This menu gives you access to numerous options, but for our purpose today, we'll move straight to the Download option. Hover over it, and you'll see a list of different file formats appear. This is where the real magic happens, as you can choose how you want to save your work. Select the format that suits your needs best. Google Slides allows you to download in several formats, like JPEG, PNG, or even scalable vector graphics, depending on what you're working on or how you want to use your images. Think about what will give you the best quality and compatibility for your project. Make your selection and your images will begin downloading automatically to your computer in the chosen format. And there you have it. You've successfully exported images from Google Slides. Now you can use them just about anywhere, from reports to social media posts with ease. This straightforward method ensures that you can take advantage of your hard work in various contexts. Remember, mastering these small but effective skills can make a big difference in your workflow. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.